Yo, morning. Hope the boys / the girls are well.
Welcome to Stratton Oakmont.
I like doing that twice.
Welcome to Stratton Oakmont.
Yeah. Okay, let's see how today goes then. GBP CHF is looking disgusting, I'll be honest, man. Nothing nice on that. Nothing nice on that at all. We don't really have much news today, so that's okay. We fell off pretty aggressively. Took out these lows here, and hopefully we get a push up now. It looks like we have had a push up slowly. Entry would have been about here, but took out this high, tagged into that potential supply zone, so I'm just trying to work out. See, on the M2 you could say because this looks a bit chippy choppy to me. Yeah, on the 30-second it's a bit cleaner. But obviously I just got on the stream a few minutes ago, so probably didn't have time to catch that. See here, it took out all of this zone here is about working below it, unless you just covered the low, for example. Like that, but that's fine. This bad boy still pushing up. It's come taking Asia high. Now we got weekly high just above it. Why is the weekly high all the way over here? Looks like price is still pushing up to that level. Gold did an interesting move in. Oh wow, look at Asia. That would have been off of the back of the deficits and stuff like that. That's interesting. 1.8%. I bet silver's doing good as well then, probably doing 3% nearly. 2.7, yeah, not bad, not bad guess. Not a bad guess. So the yen is far weaker than the pound as of today. It seems to be the case where the CHF is quite a bit stronger than the yen at these days. So I think if I'm going to be doing buys, it's better to sit on gbpjpy buys generally or overall anyway. Issue we've got here is this 3.5 man is right near the invalid zone as well. I'm not so keen on that, I'll be honest. What about on here? Kind of sits in the similar level to this anyway, which is all right. What? Okay. So see what we got here. I do prefer this because the broke structure tagged kind of into the M2 demand zone right here, which I prefer. And then kind of flew off from there, which is beautiful. That's clean. And then you got that there. So how big is the zone? It's gonna be a bit bigger than that. Both of them are a bit big, but they've touched the invalid zone now anyway, so it doesn't necessarily matter, does it now? Anything I can do now is really... Oh, hey, CS, welcome. Good morning, my friend. Morning, 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 morning. Where's the soundboard? Where are you?
Welcome to Stratton Oakmont.
Welcome, welcome, welcome. Do I have a good morning? Good morning. Let's look for a nice good morning on the soundboard. How you doing, dude? the hell?
Wakey, wakey. Good morning, good morning. It's time to wake up like it. Good morning, good morning.
Good morning. It's almost weekend. Have a great...
Good morning, motherfucker.
Good morning, mother P.
Good morning, Vietnam!
You're Singaporean / Chinese, so Vietnam's close enough.
Good morning, pineapple.
Pineapple.
Looking very good, very nice. Good morning, pineapple. Looking very good, very nice.
I'm gonna add that just because it's funny. No. No.
Good morning.
Oh, that's a song, innit? Have a fuyo. Oh, can I do that? Can I make my... Wait a second. Fuyo, good morning. Okay, I need Uncle Rogers. Good morning. Like a fuyo, good morning. A fuyo, good morning. Something like that.
Good morning.
Okay, so I can record on here, but how do I play something to record it with something? You know what I mean? Do you have a... Do you do a nice imitation, Uncle? Yeah, I know. For you, how you cook the rice? The rice for you. MSG is the best rice. For you. Voice recorder for Windows, perhaps. Yeah, but I need him saying good morning, innit? I can't do a good morning of good rice. Why you cook the egg fried rice? You cook the egg fried rice wrong. You cook the egg for... Oh, look at the way. Yo, wait a second. There's a trade right here. But we have a problem. What's the problem? God damn it, it's taken the high, yeah, and it's left so many massive gaps. I don't like it when it leaves big gaps like that. Oh yeah, why so many gaps, you stupid? Okay, 37, yeah, so the entry is 37. We'll just do 40 for the sake of it. Drop that under there. That's 1.5 pips, that's fine. 0.5 gonna be enough? I'm gonna do more than 0.5 to be safe. I need that zone to fail, so I'm just gonna wait for that zone to fail. But on here, just 1 second, bro, because there's a trade in it, so I need to pay attention to the charts, you know. Okay, so obviously we've come to Asia high now, yeah? We've got this demand zone here, which is 88, so let's sit that on 90. The low of it is 21, which is fine, so you could do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You could do 3 pip SL on there, that's reasonable. Okay, perfect. We've just taken... EU's just taken the high. But there's a problem because we've got relatively equal highs sat on EU right there as well. Ooh. Now I gotta work out if this is valid or not to take, because EU's looking clean. But G is looking clean for longs, but EU's giving me suspicion because it's these 1, 2, 3 relatively equal highs. I mean, the whole time price action's been bullish. There's no reason for price to do a reversal now. I swear if it leaves, I think it's gonna leave and not give me an entry. I swear I hate you. I swear I hate you. Good morning. I can't find Uncle Roger. I put Uncle good morning. Nah. I put Roger good morning. Because some of the stuff is like premium in it, so I have to reword it in a different way. No, it's not. Damn it.
Uncle Roger don't like you. Fuyo.
Fuyo. Good morning, Fuyo.
Fuyo.
Good morning, Fuyo. Good morning, Fuyo. I think I got it. I think I nailed it there. But I want his voice in it, man. I want Uncle Roger voice. Not Bashy voice, Uncle Roger voice. I want the Fuyo from Roger. We should try a Fuyo. Good Fuyo morning. Fuyo morning. I don't know how he'd say morning. How would he say it? Morning. He wouldn't say morning. Fuyo morning. Morning. I think it'd be like a. What are we doing right now, bro? I don't even know what's going on. We look stupid as hell. Anyway, let's go look at gold, innit? Oh, hello. Yeah, here looking like idiot. But the soundboard's great, man. I love the soundboard. By the way, CS, what's your actual name? Because you're Chinese, is it like Whip Ying P or something like that? That was a joke, obviously. No, but what is it? Gold is slowly creeping up, man. I was waiting for trades, so might as well fuyo. Uncle Raja, don't like you. Uncle Raja, don't like you. Oh, look at that. I called a high right there, and then as soon as I got to car, it dropped. Oh, when was that? I'm really good at calling price. Bro, just tell me your name, man. God damn it. Fucking Asians always being so difficult about their name. I used to have quite a few Chinese friends, bro, so they're not that hard to pronounce. You just need to practice it like 3-4 times and then you're good to go. Yeah, the volume come in here. Shenji. Oh, Sheng. Is it a shit or is it a Cheng? Shit, because that looks like Shengji. Shengji. G looks like Shengji. Shengji. That's what I'm guessing. Because I ain't heard no G. Oh, Shengji. Jie. Shengji. But is it Sheng? Because you got CH, so I'm guessing it's just Sheng. With the G, Sheng. Anyway, ni hao, ba bao. What I need. Actually, it is Sheng, yeah. Yeah. Sheng Jie. Oh, it says yeah, but with the J. Sheng Jie. Sheng Jie. Sheng Jie. Je. Oh, je. Oh. Sheng Jie. Because you got yeah, so you got je. Sheng Jie. Sheng Jie. Yeah. Sheng Jie. Sheng Jie. Something like that. I'm close enough. That's good enough. You are very close. Yeah. You know, with the Chinese language, there's some sounds I can't pronounce because they're not in yeah. Sheng Jia. That sounds more Arab like that. You know? I'm happy with that. I've done close enough because you know, some of the sounds you have in your language I struggle because there's no, obviously I know like 6-7 different languages and Chinese has its own uniqueness in it, so I struggle with it a bit. you know. Okay, this is looking cleaner now, you know. Now that we've done that push up here and we've got that invalid zone there, I just needed to drop down now and then tag, please tag me. Please tag me. Please tag me. I want to be tagged, sir. Yes, I do. Tag me, sir. I don't mean that in a horrible way, sir. Don't tag me in inappropriate place. Astaghfirullah. Yeah. When I was learning, like, when I said to people I don't mind learning Chinese, all the girls were like interested in learning or teaching me, but they weren't really interested in teaching. They're more interested in getting a British passport. Bro, there's a lot of poor people in China, man. Honestly, I didn't realize how bad it was. Obviously, because I thought they had a lot of money, but it's kind of like the West. There's capitalism even in China, because there's a lot of poverty in China, unfortunately. And then when I started learning a bit of Chinese, then I realized all the girls flirting because they want a British visa, bro. It was insane. Oh. Yeah, like I didn't realize it was as bad as what it is, because obviously they have so much growth in the economy and stuff like that, and they're doing so well. But it seems like it's a very capitalist country, isn't it? Like the West. You'd think the West has a lot of money, but everyone's poor over here because it's capitalism, isn't it? So they're just taking the money from all the poor people, and the rich people are making more money, and we're just like, we're doing all the work here. Where's our pay? You know? So we got a bit of it, yeah, but growth is only a small percentage of the people who have. Yeah, I know, that's what I mean. It's capitalism, isn't it? I read a statement the other day, yeah, or I was using ChatGPT to write a statement out because I was having an argument with someone on Facebook. Because on Facebook, there's a lot of racist British people, yeah. They're like, oh, get the foreigners out of the UK, get the Muslims out of here, go to your own Muslim countries, blah, blah, blah. I said, well, we'll go to Dubai and stuff like that. But all you bloody idiots are in our Muslim countries because you don't like your own countries. So I wrote a statement in it. I believe capitalism in the UK and the USA is driving a stark and growing inequality that can no longer be ignored. According to Oxfam's 2024 report, billionaires have added about 2 trillion to their collective wealth, while medium incomes for the bottom half remain stagnated. The UK official national statistics note that the richest 10% now hold about half of all household assets, with their wealth advantage growing significantly over the past decade. The Gini coefficient, a standard measure of inequality, is now one of the highest among the G7 nations. Meanwhile, inflation has remained persistent among target levels, eroding the real value of wages for ordinary people. While the elite thrive, everyday families are struggling and raising living costs and stagnating paychecks. Some voices try to blame immigrants for these economic challenges, but the data tells a different story. The UK Migration Advisory Committee reports that skilled worker migrants contribute substantially to the economy, on average over £16,000 more per person annually than UK British-born individuals. This means immigrants are not a drain on resources, they're actually trying to help the economy grow. I sent that statement, yeah? Guess what the guy said? I don't care, get out of our country. Bro, they're so racist in the West, man. They are so racist in the West. Obviously, yeah. But ChatGPT is amazing, bro. You just type in the points that you want and stuff like that, and it's just so good at spitting out fantastic information. It's a very, very well written statement as well. Thank you, ChatGPT. ChatGPT. Actually, I just know a sound I can record, yeah, because it's quite funny. My friend sent it to me on Facebook, yeah, it's really, really funny, man. Wait, let me find it because I'm going to record it on the soundboard because I actually want it. ChatGPT. Where is the thing? The message from my friend. Message from my friend. Open in Messenger. Oh, no. Go back. Look through media. Okay, let's go. Where's ChatGPT? Okay, files instead. Oh, what about links? No, it doesn't do them, does it? I'll have to search through the chat. But she sent me something really funny, bro. Really funny. It was... when you search the chat, I saw you can search the chat for something funny. Like there's supposed to be a search bar, no? Okay. I'll keep playing the music in the meantime. And I can't find a clean trade anywhere. So you had price break structure there, but looks like to me it's stalling after taking price out here. So I'm suspicious to go long from any of these levels after prices took these levels out, done a bit of a stall, pushed up with the wick. I think that's going to push down. On GBPUSD, it broke structure there, didn't tag that zone and kept going. So I'm a bit, it's kind of sitting in, oh, here it is. Find it. Okay. No, I just want to, what do you mean reload the page? It's not available. Why? I wanted to listen to you. Okay, wait. Let me go to my profile on Facebook. And then if I click on saved, where's like my saved stuff? Oh, I didn't save it. Damn it. It was the Prime Minister Biraba. Yeah, that's fine, bro. That's fine. Couldn't even get tagged in on there. Build up, break structure, pull back down. Took that level there, but nope. Couldn't get a tag on that either, which is fine. Keep an eye on gold, then see what gold's doing. Oh, find it.
I love AI. Do you use AI? Absolutely. Do you use ChatGPT? Do you love ChatGPT? I love ChatGPT. I love it. ChatGPT is fantastic. It's so nice. ChatGPT. I love it.
This guy's hilarious, man. Wait. I need to put it on a soundboard, innit? Because it's that funny. So how do you add? No. How do you unadd? Unadd. Add, unadd. Unadd. Oi. Oi. There.
I love AI. Do you use AI? Absolutely. Do you use ChatGPT? Do you know ChatGPT? I love ChatGPT. I love it. ChatGPT is fantastic. I love AI. Do you use AI? Absolutely. Do you use ChatGPT? Do you know ChatGPT? I love ChatGPT. I love it. ChatGPT is fantastic. It's so not ChatGPT. Do you use AI? Absolutely. Do you use ChatGPT? Do you know ChatGPT? I love ChatGPT. I love it. ChatGPT is fantastic. It's so
There, I've added that one to my thingy. I was looking at that volume coming in, wondering, is this gonna break structure, make a lower high and a lower low, and then invalidate my long, and I could quickly switch into a short, or do I look at taking a long here? I'm not so sure. I mean, Euro's done Asia high bounce, so obviously it's bounced from the Asia high. But we haven't had a shift of momentum. We're still clearly bullish on this. Build up, drop down, break structure. Massive build up, drop down, break structure here, break structure here. Looks like longs are still the way to go. That's why I'm just wondering what to do here. Let's tag this zone on GU. But as I said, I just wasn't too sure. Because I'm wondering, what if it now does this and then shorts? Because it did fly up quite a lot, you know. I prefer it when it like breaks structure, creates a demand zone, or tags it, or breaks structure again and then creates a new demand zone. Not when it just keeps flying all the way up like that. And then sorry Mags, hold. Cold sit's a bit phlegmy. Anyway, so yeah, I mean, if it kind of broke structure here, tagged that zone, broke structure again, then yeah, sure, we could long. But if you see, we kind of went up and up and up, started to consolidate there, then we've had a big move down. I'm suspicious of that. I'm suspicious of going long in that level. Whereas on Euro, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, lower low, lower high, potential lower low. You can short from here down. Now you got the issue of you got a short available right there. I'm not sure on that. It looks like shorts are more valid now, possibly because you're starting to see bearish price action. But we got London open in a few minutes, so what if it what if it consolidates for 2-3 minutes and then pushes up, takes this higher into that demand zone? Possible. Oh god damn it, I hate when TradingView is doing all this crap. So right, it's tagged it now. Let's see what happens then. Because I thought London Open might tag this zone or fly up, take this zone out and tag that supply zone there, then fall down. And that's, I'm just wondering what's it gonna do. Because GU's come, took this zone out, literally ricked the zone. Obviously, longs are better for euro, shorts are better for pound. Pound's a much weaker pair at the moment. Okay, that's good. It's come up taking this high and this high. Also, if you look at pound, you see that it's come taking these highs out as well. Which we're starting to see now makes sense. Took the low, bullish price action, come took these highs, didn't take this high, took Asia high, possibly bullish on DXY. GU looking far better for shorts, I can't lie, just look at that price action there, that looks way better for shorts. Literally far better. Get rid of that. Possibly, yeah. I'm gonna have to sit and wait. I'm just gonna have to sit and wait on this one, like usual. London Open's happened. You've not had anything excessive as of yet to help me pick a direction. Yen's not moving much, but what I'm seeing is you do have a bit of a channel build up going on right here. I suppose you could kind of say we dropped down, took it a tiny bit maybe. Nah. I'd want to see a big drop down to take all of this out to then push up higher and leave a supply zone left to attack. Just to help give a bit of direction. Pound still diverging from euro, we can see that. I bet pound euro is looking weak. Euro pound's looking weak. Euro GBP. Yeah, I'm not surprised. Look at that. Look at that. Go on the 1 hour, or even the daily, for example. It's clear that euro is doing exceptionally well. It wasn't doing so well last year or the year before, but then literally since December, January time, we had all these tariffs and stuff. Euro flew off the back of the tariffs and all this uncertainty. So yeah, I mean, euro is performing exceptionally well at the moment. Get rid of that. Bring these up. Now this is London open low, which come and took out this zone here. So I'm just wondering now, do we look at euro longs from London open demand zone? I'm just wondering. Yo, Francis. Hola, ¿cómo estás? calling price beautifully so far, bro. Just can't catch an entry. It's just kind of running in one direction without no retracement. I wanted longs from here, but then I was suspicious about euro. I don't really want a long GU all the way from the highs just because I know pound is way weaker than euro. So I'm just a bit, not even trading today. Yeah. I've got good news, by the way. At the end of today, tomorrow morning, or today, in how many hours, I can request for my payout with QT. Allahu Akbar. Sorry. Right, so where was it? In 10 hours. (6 p.m. UK time), I can request for my payout. Yay! I think so anyway. Unless I have to wait for the next day and then request. But yeah. USD's apparently the strongest chart today. Nah, don't think so, mate. Time to count the hands. Yeah, exactly, yeah. I'm in a bit of a dilemma because I'm thinking, do I get another account? But then I'm thinking I've already got 150k funded, and then I got another 600 and another 500k in challenges. Or do I use that money and start building my computer for Black Friday? And my trading view expires as well. Pass a few more first. That's what I'm thinking. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. So I'm thinking to save that money, pass a few more first. Oh, they fixed the lot size issue as well. I had to speak to the TradingView team and they managed to fix it. That fall's looking much better now on you pound yen. If it keeps falling, takes out all these levels here, then gives the opportunity for long. I'm willing to take that. Because although the pound is weak, I think the yen's weaker. If I was gonna short, I'd short GBPCHF and I'd buy gbpjpy, and then I'd buy eurusd and I'd short gbpUSD. So they're actually getting things diverging from what they normally do. Interesting indeed. I'm suspicious of this demand zone that after you've come taken out these highs. But as I said, Asia high bounce continuation. Or could you say break and retest maybe? I'm not sure. See, on M15 is kind of clean on pound for shorts. But euro, build up, pull back, continuation, build up, pull back, continuation. If you don't have, I don't see euro stopping. I think euro can keep going to at least this high here or these equal highs here. So I want a long euro. If I want a long euro, this might be the zone to do it from. I'll be looking at a few more prop firms because a few more have popped up out of nowhere as well. So I'm just kind of seeing that, are they any good and stuff. Okay, we tugged the demands in that I wanted earlier on. How are you anyway, Francis? How's your accounts looking and stuff? I don't like taking direct entries like that after prices doing all of this. I like to see come down, break structure, and then go from there, or internal structure. So this is the low, this is the high, do internal structure breaks once / twice, then go long up to the high at least. You'll get break even up to the high. If it breaks and keeps going, then hopefully data plays out at that point. Gonna come take out that low. It's so close. It just wicked that low. All good accounts are decent. If November is good, I might pass the W account. If not, New Year resolution is to still pass the challenge. Yeah. Which one did you get from Dovi? What size was it? Wasn't it like a 25k or something? Or 10k? Oh, okay, yeah. But what about your other accounts? Haven't you got more? The other account, because you got a couple more free accounts, haven't you? Called Grad. Okay, yeah. Okay, yeah. When I asked Andre, if I could go on the Think Capital and have a stream as well, he goes, have you had payouts with this before? I said no. He goes, oh, you can't unless you've had payouts with this. But Doe's only had payouts from Alpha Capital Group. So I was like, what? What? I was like, oh, I get what it is. She's a woman. She's attractive to some people. It makes sense. I have 4 10Ks. One I paid 3 free and a 25k. So 10k, 40k, 65k. Yeah, that's alright, bro. 65k, man. Pass there, make a few percent, get more accounts. Okay, so now the new zone becomes this. Now that looks very tight. That looks exceptionally tight. Why am I gonna do that? I would not. Legit, as a man, you must show your results first. As a woman, you don't have to. I was like, what the hell is this? Because I seen Debbie say in the stream here, she goes, oh yeah, I've only ever had payouts from ACG. And I was like, you what? Bruh. I was like, this bloody genderism stuff going on right now. Goddamn genderisms. Yeah, bro, it's mad, you know, I swear down. I was like, wait, what? Okay, TP hit 1.6. Oh, come on, 1.6. Oh, big returns, big money in the market. Oh god, that's gonna hit a sell unless it breaks structure in the next 2 minutes, man. This is just still chopping around in this level. Bro, honestly, I was like, what the hell, man? Have you been going to his streams or not? I've not been in ages, to be honest, man, because I don't look at Think Capital anymore. I got rid of stop. I unfollowed him and stuff on the Discord, innit? You know who's annoying? That Evans guy. He's annoying, man, and his gap in his teeth is so big. I just want to fill his gap. He's got such a big gap in his teeth. I know, bro, I really want to fill that gap. But he seems like a nice guy, though. Nah, I've been focusing on improving my trading rather than getting new accounts. Yeah, there's no point getting a new account if you're just gonna blow it. Bro, I got 10 accounts, man. Nice, nice. How many have you got now after 1 month of blowing them all, bro? Blow them all. Yeah, that makes sense, man. Okay, so look at that. Pound did end up pushing. You sneaky bugger. Look at that sneaky bugger. So obviously, I think I would probably got stopped out on this because then that was 88.90. Then I would have probably done about 3.5. I think I would have got tagged out on this. Let's look at 3. Oh yeah, 3 would have got slapped. Or about 0.5. Ooh, spreads. If you had any spreads, you would have got tagged. If you had literally 0.2, you would have been tagged. Yeah, no good then. No good. No good. No good. But yen was good from this move here, but I said I don't like taking it directly from these zones. I need price to break structure and stuff, which is kind of what happened here. So high, low, higher, high, higher, low, higher, high, higher, low, lower, high, lower, low, lower, high, lower, low, higher, high, higher, low, break structure there. Now I wanted to come back, tag a zone, and then break structure again. But then we got this high right here where price might tag and potentially push down or give some type of retracement. So I can't take anything as of yet. Nothing is clean as of yet. Damn it. But we're just reading price at the moment anyway, innit? So let's keep reading price. You can actually just say price come to these equal lows. Yep. And then pushed up from there. So we're reading price for now, that's fine. Francis, do you feel like these streams have been helpful? In terms of like psychology and all that stuff, or what? Definitely, like I said before, everyone like knowing everyone is getting effed in the market, it makes me more confident. My strat still has an edge. That's fine. That's good. That's good. That's good. Is there anything you think I could do to help you guys out more? Because I'm always asking if you have any questions about psychology and stuff. I don't know what else I could do, because I don't like teaching technicals, man. Because M1 technicals, people they just can't handle it, bro. So I don't really like the idea of teaching technicals. And then I feel like when you're teaching technicals, it's like, oh, he's just another course seller and stuff like that. Whereas if you're teaching psychology, it's individual to everyone. Oh, Sacramento. Welcome back, Francis. Are you, Sheng. Welcome back, Sheng. Are you packing up? Actually, no, you're not. It's a bit early for you to pack up, isn't it? Actually, no, I think it's about right. I thought you pack up in about an hour, half an hour. Not yet. Yeah, I think it's about half an hour-ish, right? Ola, yes. Think about 40 minutes. Yeah. You start to get used to your viewer's life, man. So that's played out good. The longs I wanted on GU that I was a bit suspicious of ended up playing out really good. But as I said, I would have probably got tagged at L here just because of the spreads and stuff like that. Yeah. Settling in nicely. Bashi first, then Mika. Yeah, no. But I do need to start going to Miko's streams and sitting there for 2 hours because then I do spend a lot of time there. So I do need to kind of dial it back a bit. Because then I'm spending most of my day on the charts and I need to get off the charts and stuff like that if I'm not trading, if you know what I mean. Because I do tend to sit in Miko's stream for often. So I might need to start dialing it back a bit. So the only thing I can do now is look for reversals purely because price has already done such a big move and London Open only does 15 to 20 pips before it does a reversal, and I think we are around that level. For Mika, I normally sit for an hour and walk around whilst listening to Mika only. Yeah. For me, I just go there because he's a nice guy. Let's say he's a nice guy and just do social networking and stuff like that. He seems like a lovely person and all that stuff. I do like his I do like chilling in his stream, but in terms of trading and stuff like that, because you look at things in such a different way, I don't really find any value in his stream from how I trade in it. But then the thing from my perspective is I don't chilling like you. So yeah, I like streams where you're just relaxed, bro. And with me, it's more of actually trying to catch a trade and read price, whereas Miko's normally just analyzing price for people because he doesn't normally take a trade, does he? Because he's only just started trading M15. But he's doing good though on low time frame. He's doing well, man. He's doing really well. Going from 4 hour to 10-15 is a big jump. But yeah, so for me, like, I don't really see any value from his technicals because, like, I'm so technically advanced anyway using M1. Like, you have to be quite advanced with the technicals and stuff like that, right? So yeah, it's a bit of a... Whoa, bloody hell, yen is going, man. So I just normally go there and chill, to be fair. But I might start knocking it back a bit. I might go like for 30 minutes and then shoot off type thing.
Aid benefits.
Okay, so let's go to yen here. What did we just take out? Because you took out something. It's a weekly high. Let's see what happens now that we've ran through the weekly high by a comfortable amount. Yeah, that's good. Yen was a bit trippy, wasn't it, man? It was looking good like a week and a half, 2 weeks ago. Then it become a bit. Now it's starting to be okay. So I'm hoping on my data points helping me here. So I'm hoping that we're gonna get a 15 to 20 pip move, maybe 25 pip move in the first 30-45 minutes of London, maybe 1 hour, and then after that we might get a reversal. Now we got 25 pips up here. Or if you take that high out there, or I prefer that we just come do about 20-22 pips, take out this high right now, then drop down. Yeah, I think she does lives in London now on gold, but I don't really go to them either. So I like the look of this. Now if I go on M5, I really like the look of this. If we potentially short, because I did say if I was going to short, I'd want to short CHF because that's a stronger pair. So I really do like the look of that. So if it keeps pushing higher and takes out Asia high, which I think it has just done, then I don't mind potentially going short on CHF. Bearing in mind the spreads are disgusting, so you'll have to get some really nice price action. Yeah, I can imagine. I can imagine. Because you're hearing two things at one time, so you start tripping out. She's just an appealing woman, bro. Trades trend lines on the 4 hour on gold, and I think she does a bit of NAS. Nothing exceptional, man. But like, she's kind of attractive, kind of from a Western perspective. But I don't like the whole thing of like Western women type thing. Anyway, yeah, go have a look. Just type in Doey, DOEY, Doey. Trades TRADS, and then it's Asian. She's like Jamaican, Thai, and something. Oh, there you go. You know what? We all might as well go over there. Well, she's wearing glasses today.
Higher time frame. Okay, higher time frame. We are looking quite bullish.
Why is the chat not working? Oh, she's on Euro now. That's a first.
Probably, currently where price is at, the market structure is bullish, but then when you zoom out and look at that overall market structure, and I think that's kind of really important to know if you're like, it's important to know when you're a swing trader. But yeah.
Yes, France is getting straight in there. Finally, I found you.
Thank you so much. Appreciate. Oh, Charlie. Oh my God, it's been so long. I miss you so much. I hope you're good. I really, really feel like we need to catch up. I actually miss you so much. Oh, I feel like, yeah, we've got a lot to catch up about. But yeah, guys, on TikTok, I am streaming live on YouTube. I finally figured out how to make it not so laggy on YouTube. I just do it straight from Restream now instead of trying to do it on OBS. OBS, like, I definitely need an actual like PC with a RAM and all that stuff because it wasn't compatible at all with my laptop. But Restream actually just from the internet seems fine. Charlie, you'll definitely know more about this.
You have to pay for it, and two, it kills your computer, I think.
Actually, guys, give me 2 seconds.
She uses software called Restream.
iPad because I want to make sure I'm not missing any.
I know someone else uses it as well.
But if anyone wants to go on my YouTube, it's Doey Trade.
Yeah, software's called Restream. I think it's like $15-20 a month, man. I was like, yo, how much? Let me start getting a few more payouts and then I will do it. Because I got that TikTok account as well. It's got like 50k subs on it. Oh, Karibu Undugu.
Snoozing. She went to bed at...
I'm calling price to a T. But.
She went to bed last night at 7:30.
When I say calling price to a T, I wanted longs on GBPUSD, but then I got suspicious. And if I took it, it would have been tagged out there, but then price rallied. GJ, I wanted longs. Didn't really give an entry. Euro wanted longs. Pound I wanted to short, but it's picked up out of nowhere, so that's good.
I don't know if you guys are still there. Yeah, I'm not sure if you guys are still there because I only just got up. And just as I was saying she is still asleep, I just heard her. She's awake, but she does like to just chill a little bit, so I might have a little bit of time. EU bullish babes. Yeah, so I am looking for like not like a long-term position. I'm looking for a short-term buy position for EU. So yeah, I'm just having a little look. Who came from my stream? Oh, how are you? How have you been? Are you streaming now? Just dropping. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys. There's a daily FEG that needs to be tapped into on DXY. Look at DXY that much. I don't really correlate trade, so I feel like there's already quite a lot of things that I pay attention to, and in all honesty, I'm going to be so real with you guys. When I was doing a little bit too much, this is when I just got confused all the time. So this is why I don't really. I get it's important because, well, I trade a lot of USD pairs, but I've done it without correlating. So do you know what I mean? Like, I'm not saying that what you're doing is wrong, because it's absolutely right. It's just one extra step that made me just that added extra thing, because I'm looking at order blocks, I'm looking at market structure, I'm doing top-down analysis, I'm looking at gaps, like, do you know what I mean? It gets a bit much, and I feel like a lot of traders are like this. And I wanted to share something with you guys, actually. So I'm really, really lucky. My mother-in-law, she goes to a golf club, and she met this guy there. She's really good with his wife, friends with his wife, but he actually was an institutional trader, owned his own hedge fund, worked, was like an executive in JP Morgan, and obviously I've been trading for 8 years, but I've never actually got to speak to an institutional trader. You know, you only get to see, I guess, like what these Instagram people say, but there's always, you never know, because
she's not done networking, has she, with the right sort of traders? From what she just said, she's only been with the usual traders and stuff like that. If you network and you have friends who are institutional traders and hedge fund and bank managers and stuff like that, then you get to get a really big insight into trading and stuff. But I think she's just been stuck with her own thing, hasn't she? And she's not really branched out. Whereas with me, I've got friends who yeah, man, they've been trading for years and stuff. I got one of my friends used to work for JP Morgan and stuff like that, so it's good to branch out and go away from these generic traders and stuff like that, if you catch me. I think she's just kind of been only with the retail side of things, and it's good to view their side of things. One of the guys I know, he's been trading for 25 years and he's managed capital and stuff like that, and whenever I see his trades, his floating balances in the millions. I'm talking like 1.2, 3 mil, 2 mil, 3 mil floating balance, and it's like, wow. And you can tell his psychology is amazing because he's used to doing it. which makes you wonder how much has he made over the 25 years. He's probably made like 40, 50, 60 million possibly. I don't know for sure, but he still has days where like even if he makes £100 he's happy. If he makes $200 he's happy. So it's interesting to see that psychology as well from someone who's been trading for so long. And he trades everything, absolutely everything. But I'm looking at her Restream software. Yeah, I've gone on to the thingy. For free you get 2 channels. You can stream on 3 channels with no watermark. Unlimited cloud recording, $16 a month. That's kind of expensive, man. And then you've got a multi-stream on 5 channels, which is $40 a month. And then you've got stream on 8 channels. And they got a web player for 1,000 viewers. Priority support, 8 channels is $200 a month. Wow. Wow. My concentration is top notch, man. What do you mean? That's expensive, bro. I think it's a free trial anyway, but still, that's expensive. You can stream in 4K as well, which is fine. Recording length 6 hours. I don't do 6 hours anyway, that's way too long. Backup stream, on-screen resolution, restream, on-screen participants. Okay, so to get HD
Are you the kind of
you
person
have
who
to do the
knows
professional, which is $40
things
a
like
month
you
anyway.
get a domain from Squarespace, not just a website?
So
Well,
that's
you're
kind
not
of
that person.
annoying, I suppose. But if you want to stream on multi-platform, doesn't that blur the lines of whether you want to focus on stream or trade? So it's the case of showing authenticity and stuff like that. But then my friend was saying that he's got a channel with AD's got a channel with 50k subs on TikTok. He goes, if you want, you might as well do it on there. Yeah, I suppose, but I'm not sure what I want to do. Do I want to stream on a bunch of platforms, or do I just want to build an online track record to show authenticity and then that's it? Because that's what the main idea was. Because I know I've done social media before and stuff like that, and it gets really disgusting in terms of like the drama and politics and stuff like that.
You're behind the markets. If you're a real day trader, go real time at financialjuice.com/purchase and save 67%.
And also, the more you do social media, the more idiots you come across. I think you guys know that as well. The more idiot traders and stuff like that. I can't even catch an entry anywhere. Just look at that. It's just ugh. Okay, so what's it looking like now? We're up 20 pips on euro. What about on pound? We gotta be around the 20 to 25 now, innit? Yeah, 30. Okay. Like I said, a side income from streaming while streaming. Yeah, but the issue that I have here is, if you're a trader, why are you making money from other stuff for? Like, just focus on your trades, innit? Because to me, it's just like a scammy thing. Like, you're a scammer, or you're more likely to be a scammer. Like a side income for streaming while waiting for trades. Yeah. That's I'm not sure what I want to do exactly. The main thing is to show, yes, you can trade M1. Yes, you can do it. Most people can't. I can. I'll call price action live almost every day. I'll get it right 80% of the time because I'm calling both sides. And my invalidations and stuff like that, I'm following price action and reading it live. It's just, I just can't get tagged in a trade, which you guys see me set limits loads of times. Or a break structure and tags within 1 minute. So it's stuff that I can't physically control. So yeah, man, I think it's about showing authenticity. Since Tokyo expands more than New York and New York expands fake, today I'm going to be tricky trade London. Just chill. If there's no trade, just sit and watch price action then, innit? Multi-platform streams, that's why I think it blurs the line. But for authenticity, one platform will do since it's recorded. Yeah, that's what our YouTube is stored online, isn't it? You can just go back and watch it whenever you want. I want to be sitting on shorts now. But I am thinking that we've taken out the weekly high. We've had the government potentially talking about ending the shutdown and stuff like that. But that's in January, so I don't know if there's nothing's confirmed as of yet. So I don't think the market's priced that in. I don't think the market's priced that movement in yet. I think price is going to keep going bullish. There's going to be a reversal soon. I'm waiting for that reversal. Just waiting for it. It's like I was commenting on one guy who I follow, yeah. I trade a similar way to he does. Similar sort of strategy. But I seen that obviously I goes to him, are you going to do a course or something like that? I'd be interested just to kind of have a nose around because you trade a similar way. He goes, yes, a monthly subscription, 150 quid. I was like, bro, what the hell, man? I was like, that's well expensive. He goes, it's affordable. I goes, bro, if you're making money from the markets, yeah, why are you charging £150 a month? Why not make it affordable, like $10, $15 or $20, like something small and minute? He goes, oh, well, if that's the point, I might as well do it for free. I goes, well, what's wrong with doing it for free? If you're making money from trading, why are you then trying to make money from people? I don't know. I'm just because it's all allocated to scammers and stuff like that. I don't want to be a course seller. I don't like the idea of it. Whereas the psychology mentor is completely different. And for that, if I did do a course, I'd probably do a course where either a monthly subscription of like $15, $20 or something like that, or a one-off payment of like 150, I don't know, something affordable. But I prefer the idea of being a psychology mentor and then you pay for sessions and the sessions be like $20 for the hour. And you have sessions with me and it's a package of like 6 sessions or 5 sessions. So it's $100 for 5 sessions and you get 5 hours worth of my time. That's not bad, bro. 5 hours of sitting with a trader who's got good psychology, just live trading on YouTube for $100 is not bad. And you're paying 20. So it's split or something like that. It's affordable. People get to learn from it and stuff like that. Like I know a lot of traders who say, oh, if you want me to mentor you, it's going to be like $5,000 or $10,000. Bro, who are you? Trading is psychology, innit? Yeah. Innit? That's a 10 pip difference there, so I'm going to hold. Okay, we can get rid of Frankfurt there. I'm not sure yet. Return of the Jedi, perhaps. Yeah, basically, we took out these highs, yeah? The weekly high in DXY, which was obviously the previous lower high, lower low, lower high. So it's kind of just wicked that level. Psychology in trading for idiots. Possibly, yeah. I might as well just name it psychology for 99% of traders if that's the case. Anyway, and we took out that high, yeah, we had a massive doji coming off at the back of that big bearish candles there. I think price is going to come into this level and then bounce from there, or we're going to do a fake out from here. So I want to see what's going to happen, but I'm just looking at everything. We got deals potentially being made on government shutdown. We got the government doing deficit spending, yeah, because they're on about giving $2,000 to everyone's putting the country in more of a deficit. That weakens the dollar. That does. Then you've got the issue of if they open the government back up, if they end the shutdown, is that good or bad? Bad because you're going to get all the really poor labor data, but is it good because it's causing a bit more stability in the dollar again? I'm not sure how to play that. I'm not sure where that leads. Personally, I think it's going to be bad because you're going to start seeing all the horrendous jobs data. Because the growth data has been good, the inflation has been good, but we've been lacking jobs. And we know jobs are really bad. It hasn't even... Yeah, it's not done anything yet. It's tagged into a supply zone, hasn't it? Now, I think that supply zone is going to fail because you got equal highs right there. and we got this zone above it. So I think this is gonna fail, and that price is gonna keep pushing up higher. I don't look at seasonality, bro. Honestly, I don't look at seasonality. I think if you're in a normal market, look at it. But if you got all these crazy things going on, seasonality's out the door. Honestly, it's not even anywhere here when you got all these crazy things happening. So I'm a bit like, you know. Have you got any M5 invalid zones? Yeah, we do. London low. That's fine. I'll take that. I'll take that. Give me something clean, please. Yeah, that's fine. Go ahead. I've got no problem with that. That's fine. It obviously is good to get different people's perspectives. Remember, my stream is chill, bro. So no problem. Alright, that's what I think. Anyway, I think that I'm in the middle because obviously we've got the deficit spending. The government said they're going to give 2,000. Stimulus checks and stuff like that, yeah, to stimulate the economy. I call that deficit check because you're putting your economy into more of a deficit when you've already had the government shutdown. That's already taken so much money out of the market, out of the economy. So because of that, I'm suspicious. That's definitely going over to Tuesday now. Oh, did I get it on the... Oh, no, I didn't. So that looks beautiful because price literally tagged into that zone, yeah, onto that invalid zone, gave a reaction, and now it's pushing all the way up again. So that zone should fail on EU. So longs look good. But I don't like the fact that we're building a channel. We're literally building a channel right now. I do not like the look of that whatsoever. I literally don't like the look of that at all. Look at that. You could take out that zone and then just fly all the way to the downside. So do you think it's going to come back up to 100, 360 or what? I think this 100, 360 is the high now, and we're not gonna struggle to break that unless good things come out from the dollar, obviously. But if we don't get anything coming out, then that's what I think. Hopefully, yeah. I'm waiting at the moment, innit? Oh, look at CHF. I needed to come back, make a lower high, and then drop. Come up, tag that zone, or just... That's all balanced price action, actually. Just make a lower high then. That's all balanced price action. Yeah. broke structure here. We are shifting to the downside. This is interesting because you made a higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. You got a supply zone here to short from. Yeah, that's good. Get bigger capital, risk less. See, I could short from here, but I don't like the look of it because you tagged into a supply zone, but you've got equal highs right there, and then you got this zone just above it. But at the same time, we've got price potentially due for a reversal now. Because you're up 18 pips, it's been about an hour. That's in normal market conditions, but obviously we know this market is not normal. I'm just trying to determine the best course of action. Still trending up. On euro right now, looking at price action right now, yeah. Haha, lol, no one is trading today. Why? Are they scared? So basically we got this channel here, yeah, which makes me suspicious. If we drop down through this channel and then we get bullish price action, I'm much more confident with this. Because I want this 15-minute supply zone to fail, and I want price to target into this high here. So I want to trade up to that level. So ultimately I want longs. I think it's better, but with my data and stuff like that, it says that with London Open, the first hour you get 15 to 20 pip move on GU, maybe 25, and EU's about 5 pips less than that. Then you get the reversal, which is the real move. So if you catch either of those, you're making money and catching break even at least. So I'm just looking at data in it. Now data saying to me you should short it, but data's not been the best at the moment in terms of London Open reversals and stuff, just because of the volume being a bit more weirder than usual and the market conditions being weirder than usual. So I'm just trying to think of what to do. So I'm just sitting and waiting, looking at price action, trying to have a logical response to it. You know what I mean? I like this price action though. It's coming down, filled all that gap in, coming up here now, probably tag into that level or create a lower high now, drop down here with some volume, leave a clear zone, and then take a long from there, catch quick break even, short into invalid zone here. So on euro, I'm not too sure. Yes and no. I'm both. I'm neutral. Neutral's probably a better way to say it, innit? I'm neutral, bro. Okay, higher low, higher high. What the hell is this? Man's running around every stream. High low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. This could be a lower high, then potentially coming down short, but we got this demand zone, this demand zone, this demand zone to be careful of. Already knew I wasn't trading today when I woke up because I looked at the market on Sunday and today morning and just knew it would overextend. Yep. We're back to you on stream now. Stream maxing. That's it, bro. That's it. Make sure you hit like on all the streams, man. Be fair to the streamers. Unless it's scammers in it, then don't even interact. Don't comment, like, just leave. Okay, so that's interesting there now. Because now if we fall all the way through here, which it looks like it's doing, that puts me on buys, which I prefer. But the question is, the main question, will it give me a bloody entry or not? You know what I mean? Will I get a damned entry or not? Get the phone ready, man. Right, so let's look at euro then, and look at pound. I don't like the idea of longing pound though. I'm just a bit suspicious. Yeah, it is sustainable. I'm not sure. Haha, I always feel I always leave a like on here unless I'm fully concentrated on trading. Yeah, it is sustainable. I'm not sure. What do you mean? CS. I didn't catch what you meant then. My bad. My bad. My bad. Is it me or is the chat not updating with the messages? What's happening with this? Why is it doing that? Let me have a look what's going on here. Let's have a look what's going on here. It's never done that before, has it? I'm just gonna try to update the... No, okay, doc, copy, don't know what's going on with that. Why is it doing that? Let's edit, view file, docs, YouTube chat.
At 4:10 a.m. Eastern Time, we expect
Docs,
comments from the Bank of
YouTube
England's
chat.
London
Okay,
Delhi.
so that works.
So Bank of England's Lombardelli gives opening remarks and chairs a panel at the Bank of England and Bank of Ghana Pan-African Central Bank Governors Conference.
Right, okay, 1 second. Now if I put that there, there you go, awesome. But now I just need to edit that, don't I? 1 second, because I think it's a bit of a... Peace out, CS. Oh, now it's done all this weird stuff. Okay. Let's try to figure out how to do this then. Properties, width. Height. Do 400. There you go. That's better, innit? Yeah. Perfect. Got it. Right, that's the cane, ain't it, guys? I think that looks okay now. Awesome. Quick fix. Boom. Okay, so euro is still falling down through that level. I did give an entry here, but I was suspicious about it because it's in a supply zone and stuff like that. So it was here to here. That would have been 1, 2, 3. So yeah, that's where that would have been right now, but so price kept going on GBPCHF, which is fine. I do like the look of shorting here because it's got an invalid zone with all these lows below it. But price is good, not giving an entry on the longs or the shorts on CHF. On yen, very similar issue. Maybe on M5 you could, not really, no, there's nowhere to really get in on any of this. So it's got to sit and keep waiting. And the reason I'm looking for a short now is because I already done all this move and I couldn't get tagged in along. So I'm looking for a short. Unless I get price kind of like coming out, taking a low, then giving an entry, then sure, I don't mind that. But I don't think it's gonna do that. I like how you're kind of falling off here. This looks nice to me. I do like the look of this.
Bank of England publishes some proposals for stablecoin regulation. They say stablecoin holdings should be limited to £20,000 per head. And some retail firms could be exempt from £10 million business limit.
See, look how that's even better. We just created a new M5 invalid zone within here as well. If you just get a clean break here, I'm happy to go along on that. Just need a clean break. And then a pullback for an entry, that's all. Yen still being a bit sus right now. Wait a second, have I posted my trades on X recently or not? I need to have a look. It's a bit annoying doing all this, posting trades online and stuff like that. It's just easier doing it in one platform. I think there's also another software where if you post something, it copies onto other platforms as well. Like Restream, but like a reposting software or something, or app or whatever. Assalamu alaikum, brothers and sisters. Walaikum assalam. Long time no see, bro. Glad you're alive. Yeah. Mountain Duthi guys here. Brother. Andaga. So how much has this gone up now then? Okay, so you're doing a 59 pip move. In an hour and 10 minutes. That's not bad. You billionaire. This guy, man. Oh my god. Yes, in Zimbabwean. Oh my god. Wasn't ready for that. Just give me 1 second, bro. Here we go, yeah. Oh man. Hey, Yusuf is here also. Everyone's awake today.
Do you use AI? Absolutely. Do you use ChatGPT? Do you know ChatGPT? I love ChatGPT. I love it. ChatGPT is fantastic.
ChatGPT? It's been a while since I was here. Yeah, man. We all thought you died. We're ready to prepare your funeral, man. I heard that you got 5 kids now. You said, Allah Akbar. Subhanallah. 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 Subhanallah.
Fui yo.
Can I spit on you?
I'd be dead if that was the case. Oh man. Oh man. Oh man. Right, so lower high, lower low. Come on, give us a breaker structure anytime soon, sweetheart, and then give me a long opportunity, please.
At 4:15, sorry. We're now shortly expecting comments from Bank of England's Lombardelli, who's giving opening remarks and chairing a panel at the Bank of England and Bank of Ghana Pan-African Central Bank Governors Conference.
This guy who does the audio stuff, how does he make blunders and stuff like that? You just gotta read from a script, bro. That's it. News coming out in 10 minutes, guys. Governor Bailey speaking in 5 minutes, guys. That's it. Like, has he always like blah, 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 blah. Don't get it. Don't get it. Okay, higher, low, higher, high, potentially higher, low. I would like this to become a lower high. Break structure there. Make a low around here, about here-ish. Come tag into a supply. And then pray this invalid zone fails. I wanted GJ longs earlier on. Yusuf, like I wanted them from here and here, but there's no clean entry for me, bro, because it's like a channel. I wanted it to drop down, give me an entry, but then it kind of took this low out, which is fine. Took these lows and then flew off from there, and then from here it broke structure there, swept to level there, which I was kind of suspicious of because it could sweep a level and start to push down. I didn't take that trade there. And now we're nearing this high here, so I'm just kind of waiting for a potential reversal now because it looks like the yen longs have gone. So unfortunately, I did want them, but just couldn't get an entry, bro. So yeah, just kind of waiting now. or some kind of reversal, or like an entry criteria where it gives me an entry model for a quick break even. I don't even mind that. I just need to see something, that's all. And then at 6 p.m. UK time, I'm gonna request my payout. I don't know what happened there. I've got to wait another 7-8 hours till I can request the payout, and then boom, I'll get that money, and I should get another 50k account. EUGU, I want longs. I wanted longs here, couldn't get a clean entry. London open occurred, flew off all the way from there. GU, I'm suspicious of the longs because the pound is exceptionally weak compared to the euro. I did have a limit set, have a trade set here, but I didn't take it because of how price is looking here, and how price is looking here. Because euro took out Asia high, but it had relatively equal highs there as well, so I was a bit suspicious of that. Because obviously we're in a weird place with the dollar right now, man. We're in a really weird place with the dollar right now. It took out some important highs. Then we've got the government shutdown. They said they might end the shutdown. There's a 60-40 chance for them ending the shutdown. Then Trump's like, oh yeah, we're gonna give 2,000 to everyone, which is gonna put the country in more of a deficit because they're already borrowing money from the banks anyway, so things aren't looking good. So fundamentally, it's the DXY is all over the place. It's all over the place. The sentiment around what's going on with the US economy is once again all over the place. There's no clear direction, bro. So I'm a bit confused. So I'm just kind of following price action, but being mindful of what's going on. So if I did take an entry from here and I cover the SL, it would have just been tagged from here and then flew up. So yeah, it's not, price isn't doing what I want it to do. So I'm kind of sat on the sidelines, just kind of waiting for something clean to occur. But obviously, yeah, that's pretty much it, man. I wanted longs and stuff like that. It's worked out really good. Now I wanted shorts, couldn't get a clean entry on shorts. And then you could say that, yeah, pound took this level out here. Euro tagged the supply zone, so yeah, it's valid, but that supply zone is suspicious to me on euro. And if I was going to short, I'd short the pound and not the euro. And then let's have a look here. So higher low, higher high, higher low, lower high, broke structure here. It would have tagged straight back in within 1 minute, and there's not really a clean supply zone there anyway. Let's just say, for example, I was to take it from here. That's for an 8.8 pip SL is too big. My SL is between 2 and 4 pips. That's 4.8. I can't take that trade. And then let's say this is a lower low, lower high, lower low. There's no way I was getting tagged in anywhere here, so it's not. Just need patience, man. I'm just really exercising patience right now. That's it. Because you guys know the way I trade, I catch like one big move, so I don't need to take loads of little trades. I just need to catch the one clean setup. Now euro is looking good because we've had this channel build up. We've had a massive drop down, yeah, and all these people are going to be scared to sell or buy from all this price action here. I'm not scared. I think that's good because you've got the invalid zone up top here. You've got an M5 invalid zone sat within here as well. That there and then that zone there. So I think longs do look good. And if you look at pound, you got that invalid zone there as well. But what did this take out? What did this take out? I forgot what this took out. It took something out. Can't remember what it was. Maybe if we go to 15 minute on pound, it come out and it took out. Okay, so it took out New York session high from the Thursday the 30th of October. So I'm thinking wait for clean price action and then just catch a trade. That's what we've seen on Euro anyway. We can get rid of this now, I suppose. Clean up the charts a bit. So I see 1 high, 2 high, 3 equal highs right there with the structural high above it. If we're trending bullish internally and you've got a supply zone sat at the high, that's going to fail. So I'm hoping that that's kind of what I'm banking on, is that price is going to push up and take that level out after collecting the London Open move right here. I'm bullish on DXY. I'm just viewing EU and GU as a pullback, so I'm looking for longs on EU, GU. Okay, interesting. So you're bullish on the dollar, on the DXY. I'm neutral. I'm not too sure. I want it to be bearish to about this level here, so 99.0 to about 98.8. I'd like it to drop into that level and then push up from there again, have another attempt at the highs, and then I'm expecting things to settle over with all the deficit spending, and then hopefully the government shutdown ends and then dollar should fall down from there, is what I'm hoping, and then come all the way back down to 95, 96 or whatever it was. That's kind of how I'm looking at it.
If you're a real day trader, go real time at financial.
Looking for longs in EU, GU, yeah. I'm looking for longs in EU right now. GU, I'm not looking to long because of how bad it is right now. It's quite a weak currency right now.
Beautiful deal, people. Come on.
So I'm not looking to long the pound. I'm staying away from the pound. When I say pound, I meant pound USD, by the way. That's about it from me anyway.
Bank of Japan's Kataoka says exit from deflation is imminent.
Okay, price is still coming down. I think it could push up from here now. Now that's taking the London Open low. Let's get rid of that. Clean the charts up a bit. It should push up from here now. Hopefully, anyway. Yeah, peace out, Yusuf. Thanks for coming. Appreciate it. Hit like, all that stuff if you haven't done it. Thank you. Now, this is disgusting price action right here. All of this is really bad. Very compressed and choppy. This is much cleaner. That looks really dodgy. I'm not even gonna say anything. Yo. Now we come down, took London low. Let's see what's gonna happen from here.
At 4:30 a.m. Eastern Time, get Eurozone Centix Investor Confidence Index forecast -4 on the prime, -5 spot 4.
Don't like this price action, man. It's really like compressed and crappy. Look at that. All I'm seeing right now is a bunch of lows that got taken out. So all these lows here getting taken out to potentially fuel the move higher, which kind of also lines up with the EU at the same time of taking London low. So let's see what happens. And obviously we got the 5-minute supply zone up here. It should be invalid. Even though we got a sweep and we've had the price breakdown here. I want to see how much this moved. That's done a good move, man. Euro's done a good move to the downside. That's interesting. Hey, Yusuf, CS, you're a bit late. You'll probably see him on Thingy stream anyway.
1 minute remaining.
Bullish, yeah. I'm neutral, man. Like, look at, yeah, and you had a lovely move here. Let me start that again. You had a lovely move here, then it went sideways. Lovely move here, slowly dropped. Creeped up a bit, now it's just sideways. They got a bit of interesting price action going on here.
-7 spot 4, -7 spot 4, lower than forecast, -4.
Made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 equal highs there. Wanted to take that level out, drop down here, tag this zone, break structure. Ideally break this level and this level as well, with just a bit of momentum. And then go from there. And then I want to see pound do the same thing as I want to come up, break this structure as well, I suppose, these two, and then pull into demand zone and then go along. made equal highs. It didn't take that level out. That might keep coming down now then. Let's get rid of all of this. At 9:32, let's see if we get anything happening at 9:30, because I like that time, because sometimes you get a move at 9:30. So let's see what happens, give or take a few minutes before or a few minutes after. I'd have loved it if it broke structure here at 9:30 and then tagged this zone and then broke structure again. I'd have been like, alright, cool, perfect. I'm much more confident in hopping in longs at that point. Has anyone looked at gold? Oh god, that's yeah, that's quite bad. Gold is Francis, if you're here, gold is not looking good. Just been sat in consolidation after doing a 135 pip move. It's just been sat doing nothing. Silver's slightly better. It pushed up and then it dropped, and now we're starting to push up again. The silver's a little bit better, just a tiny bit. That's why I'm not in any orders today. Yeah, good idea, bro. Honestly, it doesn't look good on gold. Silver looks a bit better, but not ideal. I like how E&G is looking now. Come on, push up, break structure, give us something clean. Let me take an entry. Remember, got up until about 10:15 to take an entry. So if it happens at 10:15 on the dot, I can take it. If it's 10:16, boom, done. On. So price come on GJ. Took out these lows here, pushed up. Now we've got these highs here. Is it gonna take these out and drop, or is it gonna push? I think it's gonna do this. Then move that out the way as well. How about you, D? Are you in anything, Mwangi? Ndugu Mwangi, are you in any trades? Are you looking at anything? GJ longs are still good, don't get me wrong. I do like the look of GJ longs. still, it's not as good as what it was before, obviously, but I still like the look of them. EGU, as I said, I'm still a bit neutral because I'm not too sure what's going on with the dollar. We're in a bit of a weird area with that fundamentally and sentiment wise anyway. Oh, I got a phone call, 1 second. Hello?
Hello, is that Natasha?
Yeah, how you doing? You alright?
Yeah, I'm fine, are you?
Yeah, not bad. Are you from the scrap place or whatever it is?
Yeah, we're trying to make all recycling.
Yes.
I've just got your request through. It says on the write-up that there's no battery on the vehicle.
Yeah, it doesn't have a battery.
Okay, so I do have to dock £20 for no battery.
That's okay. It's 20 quids. That's fine. Yeah, it's got no battery. Yeah.
Yeah. Is there anything else missing off the vehicle?
No, other than that, it's a pretty much a full car. Obviously, I'm scrapping it because the starter motor is dead on it and the injectors aren't that good. So I just thought, you know what, I can't be asked to fix it. I'd rather just scrap it. Because I bought it cheap enough anyway, yeah, to the point where if I fix it, I'm not going to make no money back even if I sell it. So I'd rather just cut the losses and just scrap it, if you know what I mean.
Yeah, as long as it's completely besides the battery, we can offer you £156.
Yeah, that's alright. That's fine.
Right.
Yeah, can you do that in cash? Yeah. Can you do that in cash?
No, we don't deal in cash against the law. It's that card. It's the same day bank transfer.
Oh, okay, yeah, that's fine then, no problem. Yeah. And then when are you looking at collecting it?
Okay, earliest I've got is Wednesday afternoon.
What sort of time on the afternoon?
Between 12 and 4 Wednesday.
12 and
more likely 1 and 4. But the driver does ring when he's on the way.
Yeah, that's alright then. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, yeah, that's alright then, no problem. You've got my number anyway, so pass in my number. And then, how's the payment and stuff gonna go through? Like, is that gonna?
Yeah, I'll just go through everything.
Yeah.
So, are we coming to 8 Waterloo Street? Is that where the car is?
Yeah, that's right. Yeah.
Yes, the car's there. Lovely. So, as I said, he'll ring when he's on the way.
Hey, I'm scrapping a car, bro. Had enough of it. No trading, Leo. The move I was anticipating played out. What were you looking for? What move were you looking for, son? Okay, so we're coming to break structure here. I like the look of this. I wanted to take out this high and then come down into an order block or a demand zone or whatever the hell you want to call it. That's tagged into there. Probably that zone is what I'm guessing. Probably looks the cleanest. Yeah, that probably zone looks the best on here. So 76, I'll do 77 then, or 78, because I actually want it to break the level, not just make it equal high. Boom, broke the level. Lovely, jovely. Lovely. Okay, so 70, okay, 1, 2. Can we go on M1 and just make that slightly better? Can we make that slightly better? GJ Long, yeah, I got it. So I'm gonna go up to 5 on there, and then what was the thingy on here? On here is 2.3. That's 0.7 pips over that zone. So I like the look of this now. This is looking clean right here. You just need to be mindful of all these other levels. There. Euro, there we go, break structure. No, don't just fly off without me. I swear, if it flies off without me, I actually might get angry on stream for the first time in, I don't know if that's ever happened before. Okay, so we broke structure there, we tagged into that demand zone. If you go on M2, the new demand zone is literally right at this low. Don't like the look of that being sat right at the low. You have to look for just invalidations on EU then, and then just hope that GU can give me a long. GJ longs are nice though, yeah, for sure. Wangi. जो मैं busy आया रहा late to the stream. Oh, welcome. Now gotta look at the other side of the market, which is gonna be, you got a channel going on here and prices coming up. That's why I like to see that shift of the momentum and stuff like that, or market shifting to another bias now. So we've taken out all these highs, which is brilliant. We've done a nice breaker structure there. I like us took out all these highs. Now what I want to see is to be on the safe side, so I don't get caught in anything. I want it to come back down, tag a demand zone, a break structure again, and then I'll take an entry off of there. I'm just being extra safe on this, extra cautious. Yeah, so now this is the demand zone I want price to tag back into. And then I want this to break structure here, and then that me is done for an entry, because this is very aggressive. That's basically one breaker structure and you're looking at taking along. You got equal low sat right there as well. You've got obviously this channel, you got this little build up going on right here. That price could easily come take that low, hence I'm waiting for the second break to give me extra confidence in that trade. Otherwise I'm not taking it. Anyway, Divit, how are you? Now we got to be careful of this and this supply zone here. So it doesn't have to fully tag this zone, even if it does something like this and then it makes a new demand zone. As long as it takes out this and this, then I don't mind going long from that level. Fine! Capitals, what about you? I'm good, bro. I'm good.
Welcome to Stratton Oakmont.
The soundboard's so good, man. I like it. Welcome to Stratton Oakmont. And to be honest, like, you have to know Wolf of Wall Street if you're trading, man. Like, you have to know. Agir Divit. What's Agir? Is that like welcome or something? Agir Divit. So same with pound USD. I want to see kind of a drop down and then go up again. And then ideally break this high. That would be preferable. Break this high. If it's not going to tag this demand zone, fine, no problem. It's going to set another one there just in case, innit? For a quick move. See how it's doing this? Yes, it's just thank God I have patience, bro. The market is doing all sorts of bollocks on M1, I swear down. All sorts of bollocks on M1. Oh God. Yeah, collapse down slowly. You come down slowly as well. Tag a bloody demand zone. Break structure and let me tack an entry. Come on, son. Come on, mates. Come on. Sorry. That's good, I like that. The reason I like it when it does that is if price is fully balanced, yeah, on the way down, and you've got loads of imbalances and channels and supply demand zones to trade into, aha, Bashy telling candle, come to daddy. Come to Papa. It reminds me of Notorious B.I.G, Big Papa. Big Papa. Does it have it on the sound note? I love it when you call me Big Papa. Throw your hands in the air if you know what to say. Call me Big Papa. You know what I mean? Call me Big Papa. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Astaghfirullah. That was bad. That was bad. That was so bad.
Brother,
I understand, brother.
brother,
I know, brother. Sorry. It's talking to myself. It's working, lols. Yes, I wanted to. That's okay now. Brother, oh, the pip analyst is here. We've got bare Indians and Kenyans. We got bare Indians and Kenyans in the stream. Oh my God. Bruh, swear down, man. Oh God. I'm gonna try and edit that out. There. Let's repeat it. There. Okay, wait. Okay, that's okay. We save that. Done. It just sounds a bit cleaner, innit? Okay, so I like the look at this now, yeah, because what we've done is you've created a new zone. Nah, that is 62, 57, so 62. I'm trying to do 65 one. I think you might have enough room because you got so much. Oh God, yeah. Oh God, yeah. Oh God, yeah. You know what? I might even be able to do, yeah, something like that. Because then I bet that's an M2. Yeah, that looks clean, that does. I only aim for 69, brother. Astaghfirullah.
Fuyo.
Wallahi al-Azim, you are gay. Don't say this to me. Wallahi, you are gay. Wallahi, you are gay.
Oh my god.
Brother,
Haram! Haram!
Akhi, bro, what are you doing, man? Why are you being haram? Oh dear Lord. Oh, you know, in like 5-6 hours, I can request my payout, bro. With QT, so we'll see what happens and if they're gonna give me an interview as well or not. So if I request, because it says today the countdown is like 6 hours, yeah. After that, does it show the button or does it show the button tomorrow? The pip analyst is also with Quantecal as well, guys. So he's also scared about issues. Okay, got you. Yeah. And then tomorrow is going to be the day where it processes. What's your payout, man? It's $618. So it works out to about 470. But it should have been 800. It should have been about $950. But they forced me to trade more. So they forced me to take loss after loss after loss because I don't trade a lot, as you guys know. I pick quality over quantity. So I was forced to trade more. So I just sacrificed some of my profits just for the sake of getting the payout. So it should have been a $1,000 payout, not a $618 payout. But it is what it is. It is what it is. Man, I will violate QT if they don't send me my 6k. Yeah. I know. You know, another reason why I don't try to make so much profits on accounts is because I don't want to be a problematic person. That's why I just want to aim for like 2-3% or 1-2-3%, so I'm not a problem for anyone. That's why you're better off getting like these are prop firms tricks that they do, bro. They're disgusting. So this is why what was I gonna say? I'd rather have 1 or 2 million capital and just do 1-2-3% every month, rather than having 500k in capital and doing 10% every month, because then you're gonna get banned. You're gonna get marked as a problematic trader and stuff like that. It's better to just, you know, play small. To be honest, you shouldn't get an interview, because I realize most interviews are hit when people really outside the UK. I don't know. I'm not sure, man. I'm not sure. That's even better. Come take this low out, fill this gap in, and then push up. Come on. You ain't got long left. Come on. Yeah, it's took that zone out. Beautiful. Right, let's move that over here. If it comes down, tags this zone, and then pushes up, even better price action. Let me just stretch that out because I can't see what happened. Oh, okay, yes, it's all equal. I'm gonna say my strategy is turtle soup. Yeah, no, call it a kangaroo flip. Say my strategy is called the kangaroo flip. If they say what's that, it says when a kangaroo drops, takes out price action, then it flips. Kangaroo flip, because you're Australian as well. You know what I mean? Kangaroo flipping it from Aussie, mate, from crikey, and the outbacks like a friggin' kangaroo come out, did a freaking backflip, mate. Crikey. In the freaking outbacks and that, in the freaking in the Commodore and that, mate. In the Commodore. Got a freaking LS3 from one of those bloody Yankee engines, mate. But the only accent I can't do is Australian, man. I can do Chinese, Japanese, all that stuff. Yeah, Uncle Roger. I can do Trump, but I can't do Australian. Australian's a weird one. And New Zealand. That's a weird accent as well. But I think everything is the fault of China. You know, I got a big plan. But I think that we need to look at China and see what China is doing. It's all China's fault. It's all the fault of China. But I'm not giving up. I'm going to keep going with the plan. Hello, Melania. You're so beautiful. Ah, thank you very much. wow, Melania, you have such a deep voice. That's interesting, very interesting, but I don't know how I feel about it. I used to do a really good Trump impersonation, man. Time for me to kangaroo flip out of here. Allahu Akbar. Oh, man. That's fine, Francis. I appreciate you coming, bro. Take it easy. Have a good one, man. I'm going to have a look what New York does, if there's any trades in New York. If I can catch something. But as I said, I've only got another 14 minutes left to catch a trade. So if I don't catch an entry in 14 minutes, I'm done. But literally, price could easily come break up in 2 minutes and then drop down into my entry and go from there. So it can happen. I'm just careful because it can happen. And if we long EU and GU, we should short GJ, but yen's weaker than pound, so we could technically be long on these three, and then GBPCHF might drop possibly. I'm not sure. Hard to say for sure. How's your trading going anyway, Pip Analyst? I forgot your name, bro. I'm so sorry. I don't think I even know your name. Doing good, bro. Took BTC last night and as today. Well done. Oh, Sahad. That's a nice name. Sahad, nice to meet you. This is what I was saying. It needs to break structure here, break this structure, but more careful of this zone here, because if you look at it, yeah, this is still technically an invalidation because it's a supply zone, isn't it? So if you're looking to go long, yeah, you wouldn't want to be taking it after tagging into a supply, right? Because you could say tags into supply, gives a reaction, tags back in, first to break structure, first to break supply zone, potentially break structure here, shorting, giving bearish continuation. So I'm just kind of mindful of what's going on there. But I do like the fact that GU's just tagged this zone here. So I would prefer that you tag this zone, then come up, break that structure there and there. This is why I was saying you need to be careful because of this. Channel flies through the momentum, break structure there, didn't tag into the supply unfortunately, and has continued to go down. I did say that earlier on. You have to look at both sides, innit? Don't just look at one. And Euro is doing this pretty much similar thing right here, obviously. You can see it right there. Channel, price flew up, giving a reaction. Supply zone right there, didn't tag it, just kind of fell off from there. So price isn't giving entries today. So that's annoying, but just got to be patient with it. Yen, as I said, I wanted the longs from here. There's no clean entry, just flew off. Consolidated, flew off, ranged here, pushed up a bit, coming back down to potentially come to take out these lows here, then go from there, or it's going to come take these lows here and then go from there. Nah, I don't look at high time frames. I can't analyze high time frames. I can trade 4 hour, daily, hour, 5 minute, 15 minute, 1 minute, 30 second. If I could get clean enough price action, I could probably trade 15-second chart as well. But I need good data feed in it, because if you look at GU on the 15-second chart, it's you see how it's quite gappy and there's a lot of like missed data and stuff like that. 5 seconds even worse. Look at that, that's 5-second chart. I normally look at 15-second when I'm in a trade just to monitor the volume in the trade, yeah, but I don't like going less than 30-second because then it's hard to catch clean data feed from your broker, innit? Not many brokers have clean data feed. unless you get the tick chart or something like that. But I think with TradingView you need to get TradingView Business to get access to the tick chart. But I wouldn't mind having access to the tick chart. If I can get it, I'll do it 100%. I would not mind that. Ooh, look, it come took out this low. Fair enough. Yeah. Well, do you want my opinion on higher time frame or something like that? I'll give you my opinion if you want. Yeah, that's the case. Tag that zone, that's fine. It's left the zone right here, that's even better. Now I just need to come up and break structure. Ideally here and here. Because now I could turn around and say, we took out these lows here, we tagged into a demand zone, we got volume coming into the market, breaking structure, creating a new demand zone. I like the look of this in all honesty. Oof, SL's a bit tight though, isn't it? Yeah. But if you, to be honest, none of the people here are low time frame traders. They're all like intraday, and a few of them are like high time frame in it. So like, I can look at high time frame and stuff like that because I know a lot of the viewers, they're not gonna be able to handle M1 price action or anything like that because it's the hardest there is, isn't it? So because of that, I don't mind looking at charts on the 4 hour and stuff like that, or the daily. I look at Bitcoin for a guy named Amal asks about Bitcoin often. I normally look at Bitcoin for him on like 4 hour and daily and stuff, and then I give the 4 hour daily perspective, I give the intraday perspective as well, like M15, M30. So yeah, I don't mind. Okay, that's okay. Tag that zone now, push up again, break all these levels, create a new demand zone. So you're balancing the price. Got 10 minutes left. Come on, man. Please give me an entry. If it gives an entry at 10.16, I'm not taking it. It has to be within 10.15. Yep, push up. So if we say, for example, from here, yeah, 10.15, you need to break structure and then come back and tag a zone and give it entry. I think that's possible, you know. Another 9 minutes, I think it's possible. There's no shorts available until you just look at it from here. There's actually shorts available right there, but I don't like the look of GU. I'm not keen on GU. It's a bit crappy today. Okay, so what did I say? Prices come talk at these lows or these lows here. Let's see if it's gonna push up now. If it pushes up, you've seen it live. No, I'm just asking because I trade high time frame. Do the switch restarted? Am I? Yeah. Are you in anything right now then or not? GBPCHF is giving buys, bro. It's literally giving clean buys. Coming into a M5 zone right here, so it's potentially order flowing right now. So that turns from demand zone into a supply demand zone itself. Price comes, tags it. I like the look of that. Now you could say M5 invalid zones up top. You're saying, yeah. I'm not looking to long it yet because it's still in a risk-off environment. When we get a bit more stability and stuff like that, then yeah, sure. Obviously, we had the statements, didn't we, from we had the statements from the senators, 60-40 on the likelihood of having a government shutdown end by 31st of January, which is obviously good for Bitcoin because it's signaling risk on sentiment, but I still think we're a bit early for that. I need to see more data for me to feel confident with becoming more risk on the asset. Has it took anything else out? If you're trading on the 4 hour, it's easy enough, innit, bro? You're not going to struggle on the 4 hour on Bitcoin. Now 4 hours is a good time frame, ain't it, to trade on Bitcoin, to be fair. Actually, it looks like we might be catching a reversal just because we did have this high here, which is New York high. That's my New York session high, actually. So yeah, I think we might get a reversal now then, actually, on gbpjpy. Now that I've just seen that, I should have drawn that out before, but I didn't see it. That's genuinely my bad. And then obviously you've got M5 invalid zone sat down here to attack. Let's see if there was an entry. Did I miss an entry? I don't think I did. No, nothing missed as of yet. Okay, there we go. What time is it in Australia now? Isn't it like 4 p.m. or 6 p.m.? I think it's 6ish, isn't it? 9! Yo, that's a massive time zone difference. It's 11 hour, man. Madness. Absolute madness. Got about 7 minutes left. Yeah, it is. Why? But I swear Aussies trade Asia a lot. Why not just trade Asia, bro? On gold, you just buy, innit? That's mad, you know, that you're trading that time and stuff like that. Well, I'm gonna get rid of gbpchf and switch that to M15, and I'm just gonna look at everything on the high time frame really quick. I think this zone might fail in New York if it's not failing now. So I'll have a look at New York session. It might fail in New York. And then what about pound? See, pound's looking a bit better, you know. It's looking a bit stronger today. What's Euro GBP looking like? So basically, yeah, if I request it today, it doesn't count from today, counts from tomorrow as 24 hours from tomorrow, yeah? So Wednesday, they're going to tell me yes or no. And then from Wednesday, it's within 72 hours, isn't it? So 3 days, isn't it? Because they don't count today, do they, as the 24 hours for them to review it. It's counted from tomorrow, isn't it? I'm asking in it because I'm not sure. Just so I understand it right. Yeah. Well, up to Monday really, innit? Or if they do weekends and weekends. Yeah, man. Let's see how it goes, innit? Yeah, on Friday or Monday latest. Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. And then what do I do about the free account? Do I just say to my I've got my pay, I want my free account now, or what? And who do you ask? Do you ask the mods in the Discord, or do you just ask the risk chat, the team on the risk department online, the website? Bloody hell, 3 minutes, bro. We're not gonna catch a trade. I'm gonna clean up the charts. Odds are we're not gonna catch a trade right now. I just don't see it happening in 3 minutes. We're gonna get a break of structure and tag into an entry and everything. Nah, the shitty chat, bro. Oh, you have to do, yeah, they're crappy on that chat, I swear down. I hate it. So let's get rid of all of them. We'll get rid of this too. Immediately send it. Yeah, that's fine. I'll do that then, innit? And then get rid of that alert. Get rid of that invalid zone. Go to M15. Where could price want to come for New York? New York could come out, take London low. It could come out, take Asia low. So I'll delete that. We'll keep these two zones here. And then obviously you've got M5 on this. Just delete that. Yeah, that's fine. I'll chat with them in it and then see what they say. Okay, so odds are, yeah, we can come here and then possibly come down here also. I don't see price dropping 130 pips, so that's gonna possibly go over to Tuesday. And then CHF. I appreciate that, my guy. CHF is gonna obviously come for these lows here. 4 p.m. There you go. And then obviously you got these highs here. It's gonna probably range in our till New York session, so that's fine. And then this here I can bring back because odds are price might come up to this level here on the weekly high. Oh god, yeah, weekly high. We might get a push down from here because I am bearish on GBP CHF compared to the other pairs. What, I might as well stick it on this high here too. And then for euro it's gonna be pretty much a similar thing, so equal lows here till 4 o'clock. Then you got this low here. I don't think euro is gonna come any further lower than that because it is stronger than pound in general. Like overall it is stronger, so I don't see price coming further down. I think I'm going to be happy with looking at these zones here for New York session and just kind of seeing where price goes from there. Let's have a quick glance at gold as well. What's gold looking like? Let's go on the 4 hour for gold, innit? It's because there's a lot of data there. So it did tag beautifully off of this key area, man. Literally is beautiful entry right there. But then it's been consolidating. Now we're getting a bit of a push. So if I was to go on daily, what's daily look like? Come down and we sold off. How much did we sell off? We sold off 11%. Yeah, I think gold still longs are still good, to be fair. I still think they're a good opportunity. I wouldn't look to short gold anyway. Took out this midline of Asia, had a bit of a reaction after taking that out. I think gold longs are still good to go, but price might want to drop down to around the middle of Asia. So if we're up right now 2%, I think it might do like a 0.5-0.6% drop. 1% is going to be a bit harsh of a drop today, to be fair. I would prefer a 1% drop into this Asia midline area and then long from there in New York. Yeah, that seems about right. Right, guys, let me put all the stuff in the chat. So the link for the social media stuff, and then the discount for the Heron copier, trade copier using that link. Have to use that link and code Bashy in capitals, and the free Discord. Right, boys, I'm done. No trade today. I called the longs beautifully on EU and GU, and on GJ. GBPUSD was horrendous. Couldn't get an entry on either of those. Tried to catch the shorts off of the back of there. I was suspicious of this invalid zone because of these equal highs. I'm expecting it to fail. Obviously, it might not fail right now. It could fail in New York, so that's a fair point. GU obviously did come take this high here, so I think I didn't mark out this high or whatever. Or I didn't. Yeah, I think I marked out that high after, didn't I? Because that was the New York. Yeah. Because that was the New York high. I didn't mark it either, so I marked it a bit later on. So if I'd have drew that on the chart, maybe I would have been more inclined to take in shorts and capitalize on EU. And then GJ, I'm suspicious of this as well. I think it's going to still continue bullish, so I'm going to look for longs in New York most likely. Right, boys, take it easy. Thanks for coming. Like, share, subscribe, all that cool jazz. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out, guys. Take it easy. Bye.